Hello, welcome to Nano Programmer. Technology has become intertwined in our daily lives to such an extent that we tend to forget the world before the advent of such technologies. Just imagine a day without your mobile phones. It is just impossible. We do not even want to think about spending a day without these stuffs. Technology is evolving at a rapid pace, enabling growth, development and progress at a much accelerated rate. Individuals and companies that are not aware with the trending technologies are at the risk of being left behind. For being a complete professional in any domain, it is of utmost necessity to understand the key trends of technology. Today let's discuss top 5 hot and trending technologies right now in 2020. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please do subscribe. So let's get started. 1. Artificial intelligence, AI. Artificial intelligence, AI, is one of the most transformative tech evolutions of our time. Artificial intelligence, or AI, has already received a lot of buzz in recent years, but it continues to be a trend to watch. AI refers to computer systems built to mimic human intelligence and perform tasks such as recognition of images, speech or patterns, and decision-making. AI can do these tasks faster and more accurately than humans. This will continue in 2020, and while people will increasingly become used to working alongside AIs, designing and deploying our own AI-based systems will remain an expensive proposition for most businesses. For example, the YouTube recommendations that we get on the basis of our search history is a part of AI. Today, AI contributes to society numerously, for example, in the form of virtual assistants such as Google Assistant, Siri, Cortana, and Alexa. The opportunities and salaries available for AI professionals are immensely high in the world right now. According to PESA, the average annual salary of an artificial intelligence engineer is US $171,715. Moreover, artificial intelligence technology is everywhere, from text mining, web mining, healthcare, banking, entertainment, self-driving cars, smartphones to homes. These are the reasons that it remains at the top position in the list of the trending technologies of 2020. AI existed even before the internet was born, but it is now that the data processing and compute power backbone became strong enough to sustain an entire technology by itself. AI is everywhere today, from your smartphones to your cars to your home to your banking establishment. It is the new normal, something the world cannot do without. Get your hands dirty with AI and have a crystal clear career ahead of you. 2. 5G network. The 5th generation of mobile internet connectivity is going to give us super fast download and uploads, as well as more stable connections. While 5G mobile data networks became available for the first time in 2019, they were mostly still expensive and limited to functioning in confined areas or major cities. It is assumed that in the year 2020, 5G data network will become more affordable, with greatly improved coverage. South Korea, China, and the United States are the countries that lead the world in building and deploying 5G technology. 5G is not only important because it has the potential to support millions of devices of ultra-fast speeds, but also because it has the potential to transform the lives of people around the world. Improvements in 5G technology can help make life better. 3. Blockchain. Blockchain is a ledger technology that offers security and is useful in many ways. The term blockchain is used in relation to cryptocurrencies and Bitcoin. In the simplest of terms, blockchain can be described as data you can only add to, not take away from or change. Hence the term chain, because you're making a chain of data. Not being able to change the previous blocks is what makes it so secure. It ensures security mainly in any kind of online transactions. In this technology, data is visible to a wide group and cannot be altered easily, ensuring transparency. 4. Internet of Things, IoT. The Internet of Things is the future and has already enabled devices, home appliances, cars and much more to be connected to and exchange data over the internet. It is basically an interconnected system where humongous amount of data is stored, shared and transmitted, connecting software and hardware. With the incorporation of IoT, we can regulate water tanks by using automatic pump controllers. The sensors record the maximum and minimum water level, on the basis of which the water pumps get turned off or on respectively. IoT can enable better safety, efficiency and decision-making for businesses as data is collected and analyzed. 5. Cybersecurity. Cybersecurity is another emerging technology because as long as technology is evolving, there will be malevolent hackers trying to access data who will not give up real soon. As long as we have hackers, we will have cybersecurity as an emerging technology because it will constantly evolve to defend against those hackers. And that's all for this video. And please like this video to encourage me and also share this video. And finally, don't forget to subscribe this video.